If you are looking for shows to binge like this, or early access to shows like this, then look for this icon. That's the Passport icon. It means that video is part of Passport, which offers extended access to a growing library of favorite PBS programs. Now, we will take you to the activation process for KPBS Passport. If you have a Samsung TV, here's how to download the PBS app. First, return to your smart TV's home menu by selecting the Home button on your remote. Using your remote's arrow button, highlight the Apps option on your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. Select the Apps option. Select the magnifying glass icon on the left to search the Samsung Smart Hub, or select Apps along the middle row. Highlight the magnifying glass icon or search feature within your Smart TV's app screen. Select this option. Use the search feature to search Samsung's available app offerings for PBS and look for the official PBS Video app. Select the PBS Video app icon. An option to install the app will appear in the center of the screen. Select this option. It will take a few moments to download, and then you can open the app like this. It's time to activate your account. Click Activate Now, and you'll be instructed to go to pbs.org/activate on your mobile device or computer. You'll need to open up a web browser and type in the URL bar pbs.org/activate. Enter your unique activation key. Click the white text box space next to the blue button and type in your code. Once you've typed in your code, click Continue. Sign in with your information you use to activate KPBS Passport with your PBS, Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Your Samsung TV is now activated. You'll have easy access when you're ready to stream all your favorite PBS shows anytime, anywhere.